Hi, my name is Raoul Petit. I'm a beverage consultant. Today I'm partnering with LG. I'm going to show you how to make a Poloma Mocktail. So, should we start? A Poloma Mocktail consists of 12 ounces of grapefruit juice. So that will take a little bit of time. You gotta be precise using a jigger. There we go. All right. Then 3 ounces of fresh lemon juice. So always try to get like fresh ingredients. It's always way better. Then we're gonna add a little bit of agave after this. That's a little sticky. And then we're gonna top it off with some club soda. Some grapefruit in there. And a little bit of rosemary. A pinch of salt. You can go all salty. And stir. The round ice in the pitcher makes a perfect presentation. Look at this LG round ice. All right. I'm gonna pour this. And we're gonna garnish it with a little bit of grapefruit, and I'm gonna poke the grapefruit with a rosemary leaf to make it a little bit nicer. And there you go, a Mocktail Poloma. Cheers.